Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we are coming with a very amazing DIY jute crafted Christmas tree. You can easily make on your upcoming Christmas event. So viewers, if you are new our channel, so please must subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and more videos. As we share and discuss with you, there is lots of amazing and beautiful design for upcoming Christmas event. You can easily make on your recycled items like a big cones with the jute roof and make your desired Christmas tree. As we already stated and shared with you lots of tutorial, so if you like a full tutorial video, so please visit our channel. There is lots of tutorial how can we make the amazing and beautiful craft. I really appreciate it and really thankful to you to support my channel. Actually, you really support me, which is I already need. We are getting some stuff and making a video for you, a reference pictures for help you how you can make the easy and simple and beautiful Christmas tree. Make your home decorate with colorful lights and card paper for your beautiful Christmas tree. They all materials and stuff you can get from your home, because these things already you have, just transform into your desired Christmas craft. Very simple, very easy, and glow your home and look different for your upcoming guests and friends. Every craft behind a very interesting story. So take a cup of tea and tells your friends about your craft. Because if you really like the video, so please must subscribe my channel and support, and must share your comments. I will work on it and share on next video according to your comments and your suggestions, step by step tutorial. Love you all, thank you so much.